how to create floating ember particles in Unreal Engine 5. And first, I will close this one and right-click Create Diagonal System and select this one, create it, and I open it. And the next thing, I will change this value. Here, I also change this value. And the next thing, I will change the spawn rate value. And here, I will set this box size. And I'm gonna change this color. And yeah, we have a spot now. And here, I will change this wind speed. And yeah, the spot is floating now. And the next thing, I need to increase this spawn. And here, I will change this sprite size and change this value. Yeah, I think it's okay. The next things, I will change the sprite shape. So we open this material. I will copy it. Also, you can Ctrl D, copy it. I will drag this new material into our new folder. And we open it. Here we have these textures. So I will drag this texture into here. And hold down M and left click to create a multiply and connect this one. And we select this material. And yeah, we have changed this particle's shape. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.